Excel Conditional Formatting Series. Learn with real-life examples. Highlight an overdue date in Excel using Conditional Formatting function. First, type the date today using this formula in a separate cell. Type equals today. Then, highlight the dates. Then go to Home tab, Conditional Formatting, select Highlight Cell Rules, and select Less Than. Select D4 as date today, then select light red fill with dark red text and click OK. Change any date and the cell will automatically update. Avoid leaving a blank cells on a large scale of data when typing in Excel, using Conditional Formatting function. To start, highlight the entire data set, then go to Conditional Formatting. Then select New Rule and select Format Only Cells that contains. Select blanks, then click Format to select any color format, then click OK. Once you enter data, the cell color will automatically be white. Stop manually highlighting duplicate cells in Excel. Instead, use Excel Conditional Formatting function. To start, highlight the cells, then go to Conditional Formatting, Highlight Cell Rules, and select Duplicate Values. Select light red fill with dark red text, then click OK. To remove the formatting, highlight the cells, and go again to Conditional Formatting. Select Clear Rules. You can select Clear Rules from selected cell or Clear Rules from entire sheet. Stop manually highlighting the grades on these cells. Instead, use Excel Conditional Formatting function. First, highlight the cells you want to format, then go to Conditional Formatting tab. Then highlight Cell Rules and select Greater Than. Type 75 and select Green Fill with dark green text formatting and click OK. Go again to Conditional Formatting tab, then highlight Cell Rules and select Less Than. Type 75 and select light red fill with dark red text formatting and click OK. Stop manually doing this on Excel. Instead, use Excel Conditional Formatting function. First, enter a condition. If cell B5 is less than 75, then the answer is failed, else the answer will be passed. Since the value 71 is under 75, the cell answer is failed. Highlight the cell for Conditional Formatting. Then go to Conditional Formatting tab, then highlight Cell Rules and select text that contains. Type Failed, then select light red fill with dark red text formatting. Go again to Conditional Formatting tab. Type Pass, then select green fill with dark green text formatting. Type any number and the cells automatically update based on the formula. Highlight an entire row when selecting paid or unpaid using Excel Conditional Formatting. To start, select all the data. Then go to Home Conditional Formatting tab. Then select New Rule. Select Use a formula to determine which cells to format and type this. Equals E5, then press F4 2 times. Make sure you double-click the F4 button 2 times for this function to work. Then equals Paid. Click Format to select cell color, then click OK. Go again to Conditional Formatting tab, then select New Rule. Select Use a formula to determine which cells to format and type this. Equals E5, then press F4 2 times, then equals Unpaid. Click Format to select cell color, then click OK. Like, share, and follow for more tips. Create this amazing search box using Excel Conditional Formatting function. To start, first, label the search box and add a fill color. Next, name the cell search underscore box. Then, select the entire data range. Then go to Home, Conditional Formatting tab and select New Rule. Select Use a formula to determine which cells to format and type this. This formula searches the entire data range from column B, C, D, and E. Click Format to select cell color, then click OK. Type a field name in the search box. Anything that matches in data ranges